Just thought I'll show you my Note 8 and the problems I've had with it already. Received it yesterday, opened it up and straight away found a problem, so it's been less than a few hours before I even used. So here's the Note 8. I pre-ordered it, arrived on the 15th, and the problem I had already is, if you can see, if I can get it up, just there, that red pixel. I've called Samsung, they don't seem to care. I contacted them, they said I have to go through my retailer. I called my retailer saying, they said that it's Samsung product sent directly from Samsung. But again, I was on the phone with Samsung for an hour, then they hanged up on me. They didn't take any details, didn't seem to give a shit, did not call me back. So be aware of Samsung's customer service and the level of service they provide. Alright.
Soviet Moscow. Is this your room?
Yes, it's from my
So your whole family used to live in here?
Yeah.
How many people?